winds of change. When you are paving what your soul's craving, the energies need to rearrange. For what you're making is your spirit's creation, coming in the winds of change. It removes status quo for your being to show. It's a version of you emerging. The doubt thrown at you helps create world statues by new and high meanings converging. There's a point in time within your life's rhyme, you become fluid within the flow. It untangles old twine when you walk the line, in the passage of yours, which you know.